Here's a real simple and fun little drawing. You just need a piece of paper, a Sharpie for drawing, and watercolors for filling in. I'm going to draw 3 bell-like flowers, but you could do as many as you'd like, or as many would fit on the page. It's one, looks like a upside down bell. Put a few scallops. And I'll do one over here. A few scallops. Let's do a little one in here. All right? Could be any kind of flower. Now I'm going to do the pot before I do the stems. So I'm going to do a curve and then 2 straight lines. Remember, if this goes too fast, just pause your video and catch up. It's the rim of the pot, and now we'll do the bottom of the pot. Slightly indents, 2 straight lines, and then you connect those with a curve. Now, let's connect the flower to the pot with a stem. And remember, the stem comes from the middle of the flower. Make a double line stem. And actually, before I put this stem, I'm going to add a big leaf here so that the other stems can go behind that leaf. You always do the foreground first. There. Now let's go add these stems. This is the fun part. You hit something, skip, skip, skip. I have to skip over that leaf that I already drew. Skip, 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 and into the pot. And I'll do this. Stems comes from the center of the flower bottom. Skip over that flower, past this leaf, and into the pot. Yay! Okay, now I'm going to add some leaves to these other 2 flowers. I'll add one over here. You can make this any way you would like. Okay? I'll do one down here. A little flower. Now, we're missing the back of the pot. So I'm going to start at this end, and I'm just going to curve up behind those. Skip over that leaf. Skip, 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 skip. There we go. All right, that's it. Oh, I forgot the little antenna. I like the little antenna. I'm going to show you samples of some work where they did wonderful little fairy dust. There. That's it. Here's some samples of previous work. See, this is the fairy dust I was speaking of. And they changed the fairy dust color on each flower. It's kind of nice. Here's watercolor blending into the other colors. Very nice. Now this is lovely because of the long neck stems and the fairy dust. Very nice. And here's one. They used the watercolor to fill in the background. Okay, kids, have fun. Bye-bye.